So I feel like it should be a pretty decent machine. You know, fingers crossed. Probably not supposed to say that at this juncture, but new plugs, wires, distributor cap, all of that. Let's see what we got going on here. Looks like all right, I'm back. Dead battery. Had to take that oil filter back out. We had to loosen that hydraulic hose right there to get enough spacing right here to get that up in there. So right now, I'm about to put the rest of these bolts in there, then go ahead and throw that oil filter back in, and we'll move to the next step after that. Set you guys up.